a drug. Oh, now I think I must be my user. When I was a river trotter, it came to rain and flood. Just sent from up above. I feel it coursing through my blood. Life is a drink, your love's about to make the stars come out.
Drink from me, drink from me. Pour on a symphony.
Low, 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 low.
You guys have enjoyed this play with me. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up. I love the way this spread turned out, and I like using the sidebar as like a quote section for weeks where I don't need a sidebar. Since this was a rewind, I didn't need one. And just to let you guys know, this was a kit from Scribble Prints Co. I will have a link to the shop down below so you can go check it out for yourself if you're interested in buying kits like this. But this is the first spread of the 2018 year, and this is my first time in the new Erin Condren. It was very different from what I'm used to because there are no like headers that section off the different parts, but I was able to make it work with the glitter headers, and I'm liking the way that it turned out, and I'm liking the way this is working out with the full boxes up here and everything else down here. And I'm going to like play around with a few styles for these first few spreads of the year because I'm doing rewinds for the next 2 or 3 weeks in this planner. And since you made to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. Next week I'm going to be using these leftover black, white, and purple and pink stickers in a rewind spread that will be featuring some washi that I purchased a long time ago. If you've been on this channel for a while, then you may recognize this, but this is some fitness themed washi that I got a very long time ago. I thought that these washi rolls and these stickers would go well together, so if you want to see when I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!